You just got hired for a photo shoot, or maybe you're just as excited as I am to head out and capture the fall foliage. But before you run out the door, let's stop and think about how to plan a photo shoot for the best results possible. I'm just as guilty as the next photographer who wants to run out the door to get shooting. But when it comes to successful images, having a plan raises those chances of nailing that shot you envisioned. So today we're going to talk about concept, location, gear, subjects, and composition prep. And at the end, I'll put that prep to execution for some fun fall photos. My best images are always well thought out with a concept in mind. Anytime I have a client or I'm traveling, I'll create a mood board or even a Pinterest board to gather some inspiration that I can always refer back to when I'm shooting. If you have a client, ask them what their goal is for these images. For example, in the past, I've had 2 fitness clients. One was interested in a modeling style and the other interested in a physical training style. Knowing this helps you create a custom concept for your client, that way you are fully prepared for a shoot. My concept today is going to be fall portraits, but with a unique spin. Now that you've chosen your concept, where are you going to shoot it? Do you need to book a studio or a permit for an outdoor location, or maybe even just at home or at a public park? Figuring out where you're going to shoot should be on the top of your to-do list when planning a photo shoot, as it could change your entire budget or what gear you use. Now that you've chosen your concept, location, and what you're going to shoot, now you can choose your gear. I'm going to be shooting some portraits, so I will be using the Sony a6000, the 24-70 2.8, the 85 1.4, and the 55 to 210 kit lens, which is a great alternative to these higher end lenses. When choosing your gear, it's important to think about your location in terms of lighting, whether natural or studio. If outdoors, scout out your location beforehand at the same time that your shoot will be. That way you know exactly where the sun will be and how to compose your images. Weather can be our best friend or our worst enemy. Keep an eye on weather and have a plan B for location or a rain date in mind. I always like to pre-schedule my rain dates just in case. This is a photographer's PSA to charge those batteries, check and format those cards, pack those filters, and don't forget to bring a microfiber cloth. And please, always put on the lens caps when storing your lenses. Happy photographing. Spontaneous images are often the best of the batch, but I always have a couple compositions in mind that I need to make sure I get. Having a shot list is key to any productive shoot, regardless of portraits or landscapes. You could have a dream composition in mind, but in the flow of a shoot, you could easily forget to do it, so a shot list keeps you on track. Pre-planning your shots allows you to visualize your concept and acts as a checklist for subjects, gear, accessories, and props to pack. All right, we've got our concept, location, gear, and shot list locked in. Now we can head out and have some fun. While pre-planning can be a tedious extra step, it'll always lead to better photos, upping your photo game. If you'd like to see more videos like these, let us know in the comments below. I'm Maria, and thanks for watching.